So today I'm gonna try another large supermarket fried chicken. I am at Weigman's. We're gonna see what it is tasting like. How good is it? Everybody, do not forget to follow me. If you're watching this, don't watch without following.
The Greyhound pulls up to the crack curve of a Philly dawn, where the steam rises from a flat top grill before the day is born. I'm watching the special to flip the rib right into a greasy pile. Provolone melting deep into the bread in the jagged style. I take a bite of the stalk, it's like a freight train on the tongue, but the bullet's a bit too tough.
Little pricey, little pricey.
It's a solid 6 out of 10 on the paper plate. Good
4
enough
piece.
to set.
All right, so fried chicken secured. A little bit pricey, altogether about $15 for a 4-piece. Now they stress no antibiotics and all that stuff. Also, I was charged an extra 5 cents for this cumbersome paper bag. I would rather have plastic with handles myself so I can use it as a trash can in my bag later. But you know, they're doing the environmental thing. All right, so I'm not mad at this convenient box, standard fried chicken supermarket type of a box. With the handles, let me peel it on off. And let's see how crunchy, crispy, and tasty this fried chicken from Weigman's is. Well, first glance, has a nice presentation. Nice dark brown. Kind of a skin coating there. Let's take a look at the breast. Okay, very big. I'm always kind of leery of really overly sized chicken pieces, but this seems about standard here. Let's take a bite. Wow, that's pretty good. Very crispy, very flavorful. Not overly salty. I like that. The meat is tender. That's not bad. Let's try the wing. The wing is always important. If I don't spill it all first. So golden brown, you can almost tell how fried chicken tastes by how it looks. Get a good look at that. Okay? It's a nice color. Very golden brown like, which always attracts me. A little bit dry. Again, the fact that it's not overly salty, I like. This is good. I don't know if it's worth $14. As a matter of fact, it's not. For that reason alone, I might not be back to Weigman's, at least to buy the chicken, but well, the drumstick was better than the wing. I'm gonna try the breast now. Again, the breast is a nice big piece. You see, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna break a little bit off here. See the inside versus the outside. So far, my favorite piece was the drumstick, but this breast isn't bad. little dry. So my verdict, I give it a 7 out of 10. Would have given an 8, but a little bit pricey. If they come down on that price, maybe around the $9 range, $8 range, that would be a much, much better deal. It's really just regular supermarket fried chicken. I think it is better than Kroger, but a little bit pricey. You know, it's advertised at $12.99. You put tax on it, it comes up to about $14.50, about $15. But if you're craving fried chicken and you want something that's already made, not a bad choice. I would go for the cheaper option at another supermarket, or maybe make it myself. Famous Phil, you all, make sure you give me a follow. While the taste of the food settled, my mind started to settle. I did not enjoy that chicken as much as I thought I did. The aftertaste, the dryness, and the price really started to get to me. I don't think I'll be back to pick up any more Weekman's fried chicken. Will I ever find the perfect fried chicken? I don't know.